Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go. It's unboxing time. So this one is from BBTS. So, see how bad. I don't know. This is my first purchase from them. So I'm really disappointed how they box these toys. I don't know. That's really awful. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so that's really bad. Really bad packaging. But let's go. Let's unbox this. I'll see how what's inside, what happened to the toys inside, if it's still in good condition. Really bad packaging, but let's see how good or bad inside. Okay, so far looks so good. Yeah, looking good. Oh yes, finally I got this bad boy Voltron. Oh, this is really heavy. Really heavy. Okay, I feel the box is not that strong box. So just take it up. It's still in good condition. Okay. So far so good. Nice. Oh man. I don't get it from the scalper. Triple the price. Yeah. So we got the Voltron, Defender of the Universe. And of course it's a GoLion in the Japan. Okay, so they say it's just a standard grade. Well, so they got sleeves. Very cool. Because what's really inside is GoLion. Nice. So I was wondering, but I'm not too sure. So just let me know, guys. Just comment down below that if you buy this in Japan, you won't get this Voltron sleeve, because as we know, this is GoLion in Japan, and only in the America or other parts of the world they call it Voltron. So I was wondering, maybe when they ship it to you, only this box, not on this sleeve. Okay, so there we go. Let's continue unboxing. Let's put this on the side. Okay. This is really heavy. Yeah, I keep saying that. I don't know for many times now. Oh yeah, that's a good sign. Hey. Oh yeah. So, okay, no more. We got this. Okay.